You live in North Morgan Street.
Yes,
Are you
that's
buying
right.
your own house?
Yes, that's right.
On a mortgage?
Yes.
How much was your mortgage?
750, my house is.
Was that 100%?
Yes, 100%.
Where did this mortgage come from?
The Cardiff Corporation.
And over what period was it repayable?
15 years.
How long have you been repaying it?
3.5 years.
Now, what's the future of your house?
Well, nothing at the moment.
I gather that you have been told that it's to come down.
Due to come down, yes.
Have you been given any date?
No, I've been given no date.
But so in effect, you have still 12 years to pay on a mortgage back to the
Yes,
City Council.
yes.
This could mean that you'll be paying for a house that no longer exists
Yes,
for 10
that's
or 11
right.
years.
That's right, yeah.
Are you buying your own house?
Yes,
On a mortgage?
yes.
How much was this mortgage?
£600,
And where did it come from?
Cardiff City Council.
Over what period is it repayable?
15-year plan.
And how long have you been repaying it?
3 years the end of this last February.
And now what's the future on this house that you still owe 12 years repayments for?
Well, frankly, it looks very bleak.
Well, I'm informed that if it is condemned, I will receive instructions to take it down, and the site will then be compulsory purchased for roughly £25.
£25?
£25.
And who's going to do the demolishing?
I have to, so I'm told, at the City Hall.
Did you have any idea when you bought the house that it was in an area scheduled for slum clearance?
None whatever. Neither did my solicitor.
When you had this mortgage, were you given any idea that your house was due to be knocked down eventually?
Oh, no, no.
Would you have taken out the mortgage if you had known?
Well, no.
We'll do it.
The health inspectors began to come round this area about 18 months ago. When we inquired what they wanted, we were simply told not to spend too much money on it in a very confidential sort of way.
Well, they told me not to do any large repairs. I was already doing a bathroom, and they told me to leave it alone, as they were due for demolition.
Well, they've got some grand plans about it. They want to pull all our houses down, as they can let it to a big firm to make a shopping centre of some sort. But they don't consider our feelings.
What will happen to you if your house is demolished?
Well, we don't know what is going to happen to us. They say they're going to pull the house down and make us responsible for for paying for the house to be pulled down, and going to give us a matter about £25 to £40. Well, then we'll be in debt.
And how has this affected your future?
Well, I have a small garage alongside the house where I earn a few pounds a week to help out my old age pension. That will go with the house, of course, so I'm left destitute, and they offer me alternative accommodation for which I've got to pay rent. Where the rent is coming from, I do not know.